Hello loves, welcome back. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you all how I made this delicious beans cake, aka Akara. This is a Nigeria favorite street food, and this is so yummy and very easy to put together. So guys, let's get started. So I already washed my beans off the camera. I soaked the beans for 3 hours. Then after that, I washed it to remove the shell. Then I blended it with bell peppers and fresh pepper. So after that, I also chopped some onions and I added it into the batter. Then I am just going to whisk just the way you are seeing in this video. So I'm going to whisk very well until everything is well and nicely combined. So next I'm going to add in some vegetable oil into my clean pan, and I will allow this to hot. So guys, if you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you. So once the oil is hot, I added a little onions, not too big. I just added onions for extra flavor. So I'm going to be cutting the batter into the oil just the way you are seeing. So once I'm done cutting the batter into the oil, the next thing is to start to flip so that it won't get burnt. We are going to be doing this on a medium heat, and that's it guys. We just start to flip just the way you are seeing until the beans cake is nicely fried. So once the beans cake is golden brown just the way you are seeing, we are going to be taking it off the heat. Guys, this beans cake was so delicious, and trust me, it's very easy to make. And voila, look how yummy, look how delicious it's looking. And we are going to be repeating the same process until we are done with the batter. And guys, what will you be enjoying this with? I enjoy mine with freshly homemade pap, and it was so yummy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.